Number 21, a student drops a pebble from the edge of a vertical cliff. The pebble hits the ground 4 seconds after it was dropped. What's the height of the cliff? Well, once again, we know we're in free fall since we're dropping the pebble, so the acceleration is going to be equal to g. And this problem is relating time and height. So we're going to use a second kinematic equation in the vertical direction. So we have x equals x naught plus v naught in the y direction t plus 1/2 g t squared. And we know the initial velocity when we dropped the pebble was 0, so this whole term goes to 0. And we know its final position when it hits the ground is going to be 0. So solving for its height, which would be its initial position, we have negative x naught. Let's do it the other way. Let's leave that. Let's leave x naught where it is. And we'll have x naught equals negative 1/2 gt squared. We know g is negative 10, rounding 9.8 to 10, and our time is going to be 4 squared. So let's see, 4 squared is 16 times 10, which would be 160, and half of 160 is going to be 80. Negative times a negative, it's going to be 80 meters positive, D.